record. So it's recording right now. But it's 4K.
Hey Donna, you're on TV now.
Give it to Bill.
How will get Bill on TV?
Does anyone like spicy peppers?
No.
Rich?
There's a whole bunch of them.
We'll even get Rich on TV. There we go. Rich and
Is
Rich.
he recording this though?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Take it back from there. Get rid of that one.
No.
It's got all the attachments too. You should show it to Bill. Pass on to Bill. I'm sure he wants to see.
Bill, it's still recording.
Faces.
There you go. It's taking pictures right now as we talk.
Hi, Rich. How you doing? Is it really on? Yeah. That one's a little bit more expensive. Yeah. So how do you stop it? This one's better. The other one you can buy like eBay if you bid for it. 30. This is spy cam. How do you stop it? Full charge battery and more. And then you can buy extra battery.
Yeah, just keep rotating it. Wait. Just keep rotating it.
It'll take
I don't know how to stop this. It keeps going around.
Taking pictures of everybody, yeah.
So you can do different angles. Regular, wide angle.
Oh, you're right. Okay, now we can start.
I can just leave it on and film it.
What happened to the almond? Yeah, I don't have enough.
Peanuts. There's no.
Peanut is not almond?
No.
Well,
You can ask them. That's okay.
I should get one?
Just take them. Well, you can ask them because they can just stuff them.
What's the
I don't
best
need
place to
peanuts
sell
and almonds.
cameras?
No.
I don't know, online I guess? Yeah, but
Don't
any
keep saying
particular
anything.
site? What old cameras you got? I'm sorry? What old cameras do you got? An old Nikon camera?
That's one we took pictures with down at AT&T.
No. Older one. Yeah, it's a film camera.
What kind is it?
Nikon EM100. So,
I think the F series is the desirable one.
yeah. Yes, please. Oh, yeah.
What are they? Doritos?
Where did you buy the camera at?
eBay.
He ordered pork also. Oh, I thought those are burritos.
yes, Chinese burrito.
It looks like burrito. It is. You want to try some?
Put it in there, but this is extra sauce.
Okay, great.
No, I'm going to try some. You want to try this?
No, we have
Other dish.
Rachel and Mitch.
You want to try that? Okay, which ones to try? Can we
yeah, please do.
Cut it in half.
Seafood.
Right here.
네, 저는 단무지 좀 갖다 주시면 안 돼요?
Oh, really? Okay.
Rich, you want this?
So you're at everything?
I want to try some.
Put it.
Can I try some first before you try?
Yeah, go ahead.
Plum sauce.
You need a bowl.
You want to try? You guys want to try this?
One of these?
They're all the way around
You
here.
start here
Perfect.
first. While I'm getting
Want to split one down?
yeah.
I don't know where is where.
예, 고맙습니다. 죄송한데 접시가
우리랑 같이 먹어?
예.
I ordered.
Ready, Donna?
Sorry.
Tofu. I ordered tofu.
What are you eating?
Same thing.
Same thing.
But what else?
I have tofu.
What is this here?
The same thing.
That's
Start with
the
this?
stuffing from this
You want the whole thing or you want to eat
I
it?
don't want it. No.
Yeah, you should try it.
It's good to try it. It's good for you, Betty.
We have two more. We have two more.
That's why you're not trying it, right?
thinking that was smart. We have dinner.
He opened, he says.
Oh yeah, that's going out tonight. And guess where we're going tonight?
your camera still running there? Yeah. Like this. Get your camera back there. There you go.
Is this the replacement?
Is it good? I haven't.
People see the camera.
I think I only been there once, like a long time ago.
There aren't very many around here.
Yeah.
And the one in Algonquin is new. You had to go to Kenosha to get to one before. Yeah.
Wow.
They used to go
Do you want
there
to
all
start
the
with
time.
that?
It's in Crystal Lake.
Wait, Algonquin. Here.
I'm sorry.
It's on.
Like, not Algonquin. It's in Crystal Lake.
Oh, wow.
I misspoke.
Northwest, yeah.
That's a good quiet.
Maybe they can bring one. Get that.
Oh, it's good.
So you guys went to Michigan Dunes?
No.
In Indiana? Or is it in Michigan?
New Buffalo.
Okay. Just over the border then.
Is that far from Holland?
How is it?
Fairly close by. Or? About an hour, maybe.
It's quite a bit further north. Indiana border. Was it real crowded?
You don't want me to say it.
No, I don't. But the weather was really nice yesterday.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Have to remember this next June when it's still cold.
Well, I heard this winter is going to be very snowy.
I heard that too. Not too cold, but snowy.
That'll be good.
Oh, but skiing.
For you, we
For the
don't need to
retired,
commute, huh?
for the retired man. Yeah.
No, but for the skiing.
Have you heard anything about Wilmot?
How long were you in California?
Wilmot
Days or
made a
4 days?
connection with Breckenridge
Stayed with a friend of mine.
in Colorado, which is where we go. So he bought a pass and he would go to Wilmot and use it.
So expensive.
My
Living in California. Is there state taxes for
Yeah, our daughter,
income taxes? Income state taxes?
8%.
drop the kids
How
off.
much is it here? Is it 5 or 3?
In Vail
I think we
Resort,
thought it was 3, right?
Breckenridge ski area.
No,
And they just bought Wilmot last summer.
see how those mushrooms.
Depending where you're at.
Oh, you don't like I don't like mushrooms. I mean, if it's in something, I may eat it, but
The parking lot at Wilmot is pretty big.
His
It
friend
used to be a
lives in
racetrack.
like a small town.
Shall I serve you or do you want?
She pays more than 3,000.
How about you
And he doesn't even have washroom in town.
look at me.
Can you believe it?
try mine?
Over $3,000.
No, thank you.
And it has a really old car.
She doesn't like spicy.
But it's not. I don't like spicy either.
Oh.
It's kind of like Donna's mom, even though she's in assisted living,
Look at the
still has a house in Madison. That house is in a real hot area, Madison. And it was built in like 1970.
Wow.
But still, you pay a huge amount of money for those little houses in that area.
I know.
Like the house next door to Donna's mom sold for like over $400,000. Donna's mom's is
So how are you guys doing? I haven't get a chance to
the
talk to
neighborhood.
you.
It's
busy, huh?
It's nice and
We're
cool.
either in Chicago
To be close to the city, I guess. Close to the city, I guess.
every other weekend, right?
I understand.